brother David was kind enough to let me take out his BMW M2 CS, one of just 2,000 incredibly special sports cars and the last of 500 allocated to the US. Well, I was kind of blown away by the thing. I mean, really, when I punched it, I felt like it knocked the wind out of me.
The newer models, they have all this great tech in them that the older ones don't. And that's a reality of it. I haven't a clue what all these things do. I know there are settings on how quickly the transmission shifts. Looks like that's suspension settings, but I'm not gonna mess with that. I just wanna drive the car a little bit and get a sense of the acceleration. Say, in the 1980s, my dad had a 740 turbo wagon and a Volvo. These cars were compared to Lamborghinis in their advertising. They were fast. 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds. The Ferrari Testarossa, my poster car when I was a kid, it did 0 to 60 in 5 seconds flat. That was a big deal. When the E46 M3 came out in 1999, it was a seismic event, at least in American culture, because we finally got a true M car, in the M3 that is. And it did 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds, which is just so incredibly fast for the time. This car with a manual gearbox will do it in 3.8 seconds. And with this transmission, it'll do it in 3.4. Mind-blowing to me. Here goes nothing. Really guilty that I get to do this, but I'm doing my best to show you what it's like. Okay. Alright, so I just want to take this in instead of just going as fast as I can. Oh, there's a car. Wow. Okay, so that's fourth gear. You know what they say about turbochargers? It's true. This car will do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, but it really doesn't respond in your foot. Maybe it's a good thing that it sort of leans into the power curve, but in my M3, it's instant. In the M5, it's instant, and that's the individual throttle bodies. I gotta take that in. It's really exciting. It sounds great. That's always a worry that I have about these cars. Let's do that again. See, this thing is dangerously quick. It's sort of like this is a video game because it's so instant and you don't have to work for it. You don't really get as much a sense of the machine as much as you do the technical wizardry that's at play here, which is very exciting. I mean, you saw the look on my face. That was very genuine. And I don't get that same sensation from driving my M3 or the M5. This is just outright speed. And the M3 and M5 are more about the mechanical experience, and it's more gradual. It's not instant acceleration in the same way. Oh, it's still so exciting though, and I understand why BMW has moved in this direction, of course. Ooh, it's a good looking car right there.
Alright, thanks for watching. There's much more to come on the M2 CS, my M3, and other related topics over the next few months, so subscribe if you haven't. See you next time.